Hi, my name is Lisa Campanecci, and I teach 8th grade science in Brookfield, Wisconsin. One of the strategies that I use when I am absent, especially if it's an unexpected absence, is a one pager. A one pager is an Avid strategy where they take concepts from the unit so far and they make it visual on one piece of paper. So here are the directions from the one pagers that I make. Here's a background information, just kind of saying one pagers are great because they're visual, they have color, and they force you to make decisions about what to do on the one pager and the supplies that they need. And then we come here. The first thing that the students should do is after the table of contents, they should look at everything we've done so far in the unit and just kind of get an overview of what we've covered. Then they should decide on 3 main images that capture the biggest ideas of the unit that we've covered so far. They should draw these images because these should be the central focus of the one pager. Then they should find a total of 5 vocabulary words to place around the paper. And I recommend that they use the word wall for that. If we're early in the unit and they can't find 5, then they have to at least think of 5 important words that we've used in the unit if we don't have 5 words on the word wall. You could revise this and have them then define those words if you wanted to. You could have them draw pictures of those vocabulary words. I just have them write the words on there. Then I want them to find 5 statements or 5 drawings from their progress tracker or trackers and put them on the page. If we're early in the unit, maybe we only have done 1 progress tracker or 1 question from the progress tracker, then 2 to 3 statements. And those, again, are evenly placed or strategically placed around the page. Then they should go to the driving question board and find 2 questions that we can now answer from our unit. Write down those questions and then answer the questions. Finally, once they have all of that, they should think of and write a informative or descriptive title at the top of the page and then put a symbolic border around it. The great thing about this is you can already have this done. It's usable for any unit that you have. You can already have copies taken care of, ready to go in your classroom in case it's like emergency subplans, or you can just link it in a daily slideshow if you use that. I also have an example of one right here. This is from a social studies class, but you can see those main pictures right here, the border and the information, color, visual. And the most important thing is that the kids are actively spending time looking at what we've covered so far and reviewing it. That's the whole purpose of this activity. I hope this helps.